As you may know, Cynthia Schaefer is an urban homesteader.
Like a beautiful relationship with the bees.
And I featured her in an episode, which is the first of my Spotlight series. And she has so much knowledge to bring to other people.
My core philosophy really is, what would the forest do? I trust in the system that nature has provided that has been effective for us since the beginning of the planet.
Cynthia Schaefer and Stack's Urban Harvest have partnered up to form an Urban Homestead Series where Cynthia brings us content such as classes on how to make kimchi, fire cider, and much more.
And I'm going to let you taste it.
The Urban Homestead Series includes garden tips, herbalism, and peak wellness with plants. To make sure that you don't miss out on Cynthia's Urban Homestead Series episodes, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell so that you'll be notified when I upload videos in the future, and let's grow together.